Welcome back to Tash and Brad, and we've got some exciting news. We are starting van life. As you can see, we picked up a nice Peugeot Expert, which is a 2017 model that we're going to be converting, and we're going to be taking you guys throughout the whole process. So stay tuned to series in the future if you want to learn about conversion, and two newbies doing it as well.
Yeah, we don't know what we're doing, so let's just see how it goes, I guess.
All right, so let me quickly show you around. That's our old car. And no, this is the new one. So it's nice interior. And this is the space we are working with. Have a look. So at the moment, it is a blank canvas. You've got absolutely nothing there. Yeah, so at the moment it's a blank canvas, absolutely nothing there. But you've got a lot of space that you can do van life with. And we didn't want an ultra big van, because an ultra big van, it limits you from some spots, like them big transporter vans, isn't it?
Yeah, we don't want to have height restriction problems, stuff like that. Plus I actually have to be able to drive it, guys.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, Tash has to drive the van, so we decided on a good old Peugeot Expert. And I'm just going to tell you a quick story. By the way, if you have any tips for van conversions or anything like that, please let us know down in the comments and follow along our journey. Hit that subscribe button, because we could do with your help. Right, so we bought the van from a dealership about 2 hours from here. We've had it a few days, like 4 days. I'll add the clips in.
Done the paperwork, done the tax, done the insurance. Just need the keys. Right, we'll give you more information on this bad boy when we get home. We gotta get there.
Yeah, so after we bought the van, we drove it back to where we live, and we left it in a car park spot overnight, and then we woke up and we found these on it. I'll show you where they was. So they was just under here attached. One sec. So that was just under here attached to the bottom of the van, one this side and one that side over there. Just these red like bungee cords.
And it was already in half.
Oh.
We saw it.
Yeah.
Like, so, and there's no road damage or anything.
Almost.
So it's like it's been cut and then put on like separately on like onto the bottom of the van. Very peculiar.
Yeah, so we don't know if our van's going to be stolen, like hence the name of this title. But if you have any idea about why someone would put two bungee cords that are red on the bottom of a van, we know van thefts are quite high. So if you have any insights, or maybe we've been paranoid or whatever, because it's our brand new van and it costs quite a little bit as well. So just let us know if you have any insights on that. Maybe our van is going to be stolen. But what we did buy, we did buy a van lock, which is one of these stop locks here that just go on the steering wheel. So that's the first thing we did there, which is necessary. It was about 50 quid. So what we're going to do, this is our first video, and like I said, it's just introducing you to our start of our new adventure here. So if you do want to join along and join the adventure of two beginners converting a van, going on adventures and stuff like that, just hit that subscribe button, let us know in the comments, and maybe you've done a van conversion yourself as well. All right,
Let's go.
this has been Tash and Brad, and yeah, we'll see you soon.